Thank you, distinguished heads of state and government, excellencies, distinguished partners and panelists, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, Bulo Vinaka, and a very warm welcome to you all. I wish to thank you all for being here today to hear about and discuss the innovative ocean management practices and programs we are planning and currently carrying out in Fiji. I believe the individual nations of the world, large and small, laboratories for innovation. There are good ideas and unique experiences everywhere. And if we pay attention to each other, we can learn a great deal. That is how best practices are discovered. For us in the Pacific, the past few months have been a time of intense collaboration and sharing among Fiji's government agencies, technical crop agencies, conservation organizations, civil society organizations, academic institutions, scientists, and the private sector. A great deal of technical work has also been done in the lead up to this ocean conference, particularly to firm up our voluntary commitments. We are in the process of finalizing them now, and we'll be announcing them soon. Fiji made a very deliberate choice to emphasize partnership in the concept and design of its 17 voluntary commitments from the very beginning of the process, because we believe this is the only way to bring about sustained and sustainable solutions. We had an open and transparent consultative process that included virtually all sectors of Fiji's society and economy. Our commitments will reaffirm the proud legacy of ocean stewardship that has been part of Fijian society for centuries. In modern times, the Fijian state has used this legacy as a philosophical basis for developing our policies on ocean-related matters. I would like to point out specifically the fisheries sector is a good example of collaboration. We are in the final stages of reviewing and formalizing the national fisheries policy, which would encompass the development and management of coastal fisheries, offshore fisheries, and aquaculture, all of which would have separate frameworks for implementation. Progress on coastal fisheries has been particularly strong. Fiji's local communities have worked closely with government and NGOs to manage the inshore areas, and more than 70% of the inshore areas are under improved management. Fiji views the ocean as an environment in its own right, a natural system that knows no boundaries. This requires us to be vigilant and forward-looking to secure the long-term health of our ocean and its resources for our livelihood today and for our future generations, for our children and our grandchildren for tomorrow. So government has a long tradition of sustained partnerships between coastal communities, important ocean stakeholders and government. It is the only way a modern state can exploit the ocean sustainably for food, transportation, and enjoyment, and protect the ecosystems within it and its shores. We use the ocean for many things. It is a source of food. It is a highway for internal and external commerce. It is our frontier where we must defend our national territory. And it is a source of tourism, which is critical to our economy. In this meeting, ladies and gentlemen, Your Excellencies, some of our partners will showcase aspects of what will become Fiji's voluntary commitments. As I said, we will be announcing them later. Let us now take some time to review Fiji's ocean management accomplishments, assess what needs to be done to realize each of our stewardship responsibilities, and recommit to strengthening our partnerships for the good of our ocean and for our own good. I thank you all.